Okay, for this example here, we have this particular function. We want to show the derivative of f prime x is this. And then we'll work through the problem here. So the first thing, f prime x, well, derivative cosine I know is negative sine x times ln x times the chain rule says times the derivative of the inside over this. So that simplifies to negative sine ln x over x. B part then says show that f prime at 1 equals 0. Well, f prime at 1 is equal to negative sine ln at 1 at 1, make that a clear 1 over 1. Well, negative sine ln of 1 is 0. The sine of 0 is also 0. Then it says state the intervals of increasing and decreasing. Well, I know that x has to be bigger than 0. And so I'm going to make what a sign chart here. Here is I start at 0. At 1, there is 0, and this is my derivative, and this is my function. So if I look at numbers that are bigger than 1, so let's say, oh, I get a calculator for this one. Oh. Hold on, I get a calculator for this. I'm going to pause it for a second. As you see, I'm back. I quickly graphed it because I realized this is a graphing question. Made my window 1 to 10, or 0 to 10. I didn't want it bigger than 0. Y minimum is negative 1 to 1.5 because I know it's a cosine function. And I graph it, and I get this. Make sure you're in radians. This is 1 here. So using my calculator to help my graph to help me out, what I can say then is that, what can I say? I can say that it was positive to negative is increasing to decreasing. So my interval of increasing was 0 less than x less than 1, and decreasing 1 bigger than x. So all these values over here. Therefore, determine if it's a max or minimum. This value here is a maximum as the f prime goes positive to negative.